Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be going over some different hacks for Zoom. My first hack for you is to try, if possible, to use a webcam and a monitor instead of having your computer on your desk. If you have your computer on your desk and you don't need to write anything down or have textbooks out, it's perfectly fine. But when you need to write stuff, sometimes your desk can get a little bit cluttered and you'll have troubles finding space. If you have a large desk, this isn't as big of an issue, but for me, since my desk isn't that big, I definitely need to use this. I will have this webcam and any other products that I mentioned in this video linked in the description box below. My next tip is to use headphones when you're on a call. Wired ones or wireless ones will work. You just want to make sure that not every single person in your household has to listen every time that you're on a call, especially if you're on calls a lot. If you're going to use headphones though, make sure that you have comfortable ones that fit in your ears well. If they don't fit into your ears, then don't wear them because they'll just end up causing you more pain than convenience. For me personally, I enjoy using AirPods, but another alternative is these Taltronics headphones. This next one is a bit obvious, but make sure that your background is nice and neat and organized, and if you don't feel comfortable showing your actual background, maybe try using a virtual background if your teachers allow it. Also, make sure you close your door so that everyone knows that you're in a call. If you're the type of person who can easily get distracted by your phone, please make sure to keep it far away from you. So for this last tip, I wanted to show you something pretty cool about Zoom links. So if for some reason your teacher only gives you the link and not the meeting ID and password, there's still a way to get in if it says that you require a password. So first, go on the link and see if it has these specific sections. I'll put it on the screen. So after the letters PWD and then equals, like the equal sign, then that's your password. The meeting ID is also embedded into the link. Only certain links are like this though, so you have to check your link before you try this. Anyways, that concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe for more content every Sunday. Bye!